Okay, I just made it home from Goodwheel and I think a couple garage sales. So this would be my segue into the video going into Goodwheel. But I did find this at a garage sale. I'll zip it real quick. So a GoPro knockoff, kind of. So let's take a look at this. And so I got this. It's like a knockoff at a garage sale. They wanted 25. I offered them 15. So I looked it up. It's not too bad of a deal. Probably wasn't. I'm gonna try to get turned on and everything. It's supposed to be a 1080 Wi-Fi, like a little knockoff GoPro. I think I've seen anywhere from $30 to $50, maybe even to $100. Maybe since this says 30, I don't know. So it's like, not a true $200, $300 GoPro, but it came with all the stuff. And so, like I said, after you'll go right into a video of me going through Goodwheel and checking out what I found. Like I said, I found some other stuff. Go ahead and watch the rest of the video, and like, share, and subscribe to Angel's Ed. See ya. Bye. All right. Looking for video games at the Goodwheel. See, they're always hidden in here. See if I can find any. Oh, there's some Xboxes. Anything, I don't have an Xbox, but Twister, man. These are the same ones that were here before. I look for PS2 or what else? That's what I'd probably do a video when I'm looking at what's this here? Is this a PS? Oh shit, Blu-ray. Championship. Oh, that's a good CD right there. Reservoir Dogs and Pulp Fiction. Like Harry Potter. Science Spike, yeah. Don't see any more. Oh, I don't see any more video games. Super Bad is pretty good. Bunch of Blu-ray. I don't mind find some Indiana Jones. Yeah, so I got this here. I'm gonna get this. We go to the actual factory in Amish country, so I'm gonna definitely get this. We always get the cheese. Look at that. That's why I got me a new phone too, so I could do videos on the fly. So just kind of looking to see if I find anything. I like watching other people's videos at Goodwill, so I got me some. I got some 2 DVDs. I'll show you in a second. See if we could find any games, anything good. Game of Life. A lot of wood stuff. Yeah. I don't see anything. Chef made. Oh, what do we got here? Got Under the Samsung. See, a lot of people do the Goodwill. They're like flipping. I'm not really flipping. I'm just here to buy stuff I want. I was really hoping to find some video games. What's this here? Garmin. It's $3, but that's mounts like one of my many GPSs I buy. I don't know if I want to pay $3 for this. I don't know what exactly. Yeah, we'll pass on that one. Alright. It's a cool clock. Alright, I think that's welcome. Here, I'll show you what I got. I gotta show people what I got. Let me get this. Whoa. Here we got this. She's my wife got some stuff here. I got this here. I'm gonna get National Lampoon's Vacation. No video games I found, and then I'm getting this right here. Star Wars Awakening has a bunch of DVDs. That's cool, like a sandal. Weird looking.
It doesn't look comfortable.
No.
It's not a shoe.
So it comes with that. So it says $2.50. So it has 3 DVDs. I think it's the first.
$1.25 or
yeah. So yeah. Did you see anything you like?
What? No, I'm still looking.
All right. I'm gonna pause this. Check this out. Yeah, check this out. It's a old school video camera. Sharp. Probably like $2,000 back in the day. Isn't that cool? Oh shit. Film that way. There's another one. That was both RCA. This is a newer version of it. Probably originally it's probably $800 to $8. But basically obsolete now. Oh, that's a Sharp, I guess. Maybe it's important to someone. Some keys to lock it up. Alright. I got me some Star Trek or Star Wars. Yeah, that's can't say Star Trek. It's watch that. Yeah, so I got The Force Awakens. I think that's the first one they all brought back the old people like Harrison Ford, and I don't think Skywalker is in this one, but it's the first one I think the new trilogy. So I think I got this for $2.50, but it has Blu-ray disc in the regular and also a DVD one. Oh, that's pretty cool. I think I got all the Star Wars except these new ones, so that one's cool. So it's got the bonus material and all that BS. Oh, I think I was gonna say what happens in it, but I think that'd be a spoiler. So I seen something on the cover, and I was like, oh yeah, that's where such and such. Oh, there's Skywalker. All right, and then of course the classic National Lampoon is the first one, I believe, where he wrecks his car, and I think this is $1. I'm not sure if it's $2.50 or a brand new looking. See, yeah. So there you go. I wonder what switch I got. All right, so that's what I found at the Goodwheel. My wife got a bunch of, I don't know, glassware, but that's what she likes. So I got some DVDs and Blu-rays, so I'll switch in. All right, see you guys later. I was really looking for some games, and all I could find was Xbox. No, I don't have Xbox, but I think they were 360 games, but the DVDs were kind of scratched up pretty good. So, all right, catch you later. Bye.